Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about making a facial expression for modeling. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to make a model face in this very simplistic tutorial. Once again, the topic of this instructional video tutorial will be showing you and telling you specifically about a facial expression for modeling, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to make a model face in a very simplistic tutorial. Let's get into this instructional video step-by-step tutorial. Okay, long intro out of the way. You're gonna get your model face going. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like, okay? So basically, I'll explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and then I'll slow it down. Let's take off these glasses so you get the true model effect. First and foremost, right? You wanna keep your eyebrows at a resting position. A lot of people think model face has to go like with your eyebrows down. No, you don't have to look angry. You have to look normal, natural, but serious. So how do you accomplish that? Eyebrows in the resting position, squint. A little bit, not a lot like this. Squint. A little bit, okay? Close your mouth, clench your jaw together, okay? What you want to do is extend your neck, if you can, stretch that neck muscle, extend your neck, okay? I'm sorry, I'm having trouble speaking. I've done, this is my 14th video, and I gotta do 17, so I gotta do 4 more, including this one, and I have barely had any water, and I haven't had lunch yet. So, I'm mispronouncing words, so I do apologize. But you want to stretch your neck out, and look slightly down. So put all those things together. Okay, very simple. Put all those things together. Okay, eyebrows in their natural position. Squint a little bit. Clench your jaw, like close your mouth and clench your jaw. Stretch your neck out and look down. A little bit, like a little bit of an angle. What it's gonna look like is this. Let me just make sure you can see me on camera. Yes, you can. What it's gonna look like is this, okay? So natural face, squint, okay? Clench your jaw. Stretch your neck out. Get good posture, look down. Model face, just like that. Listen, we can do this one of 2 ways. One, you can watch this video and say, yes, fantastic tutorial. 2, you can hire me as a model. So if you're a modeling agency out there, come on, look, hey, listen, I used to be really, really built back in the day. I can get back to it if you want. Just reach out, send a message. Once again, eyes, slight squint, okay? Resting eyebrows, clench the jaw, stretch your neck, look down, just like this. From this position, squint, jaw clenched, neck stretched, proper posture, looking down. Model face, model face. That's it! I know you're like this guy can get serious? Yes, I can. Yes, like I get excited when I make videos. That's why I'm all pumped up. But in reality, like when people hear me talk, I'm not like, hey neighbor, how you doing today? You having a great day? No, when I make videos, that's how I talk because I'm all pumped up. But my kids, my wife, I have 4 young kids, right? My kids don't see me. Hey, how was your day at school? Luke, did you have a great day today? It's not like that. It's not like that. Anyways, that's how to make a model face. Your facial expression for modeling. Explained. You can even get your eyebrows up a little bit if you want. Just a little bit. That's it. Enjoy modeling. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.